Hello everyone, I am Aarti, and in today's video, we are going to learn about Python, the basics of Python. So, without wasting time, we are going to start with Python. So, basically, what is Python? Python is a programming language. Like in human, we have a particular language. Like in different countries, we have different language. What language is? So, language is a way of like a medium of conveying your messages, your thoughts to somebody. Same as in machines, in computers, there is programming language. What programming language do? It conveys our message to the machine, to the computer. Whatever we command gives to the computer, it conveys to the computer. Okay, so programming language is in a code form. Okay, the coding we know in today, it is the programming language to interact with the computer or the machine. So basically, what the programming do? So here we have a code. Okay, the code, we write the code. Then here comes the translator. What do the translator do? It converts the code in a machine language. Okay, that is your compiler or interpreter. Okay, so code translate it in a machine language, and then machines give us the output. Okay, so this is how programming works. Whatever we code are writing, it translates it and it gives it to the machine. So there are a lot of programming languages. There is Python, there is Java, there is C, there is C++, there is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, React.js. There are a lot of programming languages for different things. Like we have HTML to design a website, we have CS to style it, we have JS to interact with the website, we have Python to develop apps, web applications in the backend and all. So we have different programming languages for different work. Okay, so this is what a programming language is. Now comes to the next part. So in this particular video series, we are going to learn about Python. So basically, what is Python? Python is one of the programming language which is used to interact with the computer and to command it. So Python is simple and easy. Why is it simple and easy? Because Python is all in English language. Like the keywords we are going to use in Python are like print, if, else, like they are very much words which we use in daily life. So it's simple and easy to learn. It's free and open source. What do you mean by free and open source? We can access that from anywhere, from any web application. We can access the Python. It's a high level language. What is high level language? High level language is a language which is understandable by humans without putting extra efforts in that. High level language is a simple language that can be easily understandable by the humans. And the Python was developed by this person, Guido van Rossum. Okay, it is portable. We can port it from here to there. Okay, now here comes our first program. Now, how can we write our first program? You'll be like, okay, we know what's the programming language, what's the Python, we know other programming language too, but how are we going to code in that? So, first let me tell you, there are three ways to code. Okay, first you have your VS Code, that is your Visual Studio Code, which is used by many students. Okay, many students like students in college, the teachers which are teaching the coding and all, so they mostly use VS Code. Second, there is a application provided by Python Originals. There you can download it. The website name is python.org. And third way, you can use online compiler to compile the code. Okay, so in this video and in this whole series, I'm going to use Python compiler online because my VS Code is not working properly, and it's facing some problems, and python.org is also not working in my laptop. I don't know why, what issues are coming up, but like I'll figure that out. So now we are going to go to the Chrome, and here we're going to type online Python compiler. Here we go. And you can say compiler, interpreter. What basically is compiler and interpreter? So compiler and interpreter are both the same. It just translates the coding language into the machine language so that it is easily understandable by the machine, so that they can give us our output. Now you can use any of them. They all are same, and they won't all gonna put the same kind of. I guess in this we are going to face advertisements. Yeah, this is perfect. So I'm gonna put it on dark mode because I'm not a. So this is basically your first code. What is your first code? Print hello world. Sorry, the spelling mistake. Yeah, it's right. So now we're gonna run it. Yeah, and we got it hello world here. So what basically this is? So let me tell you, this is basically the first program of every engineer and every coder present on this earth. Okay, why so? Because it's very simple and it actually makes you understand every single. Wait. Let me check if it's recording perfectly or not. And I guess it is. We're not facing any kind of issue because previously I recorded a video, and in that I wasn't able to actually record this screen where I was coding. Okay, so let's get back to the code. So here it is print hello world. So basically what is print hello world is that print is your keyword. What is keyword? Keyword is a predefined word used to do some task in the coding language. Like here, we decided that print word will print everything that will be written in the parenthesis there. We wrote print, and in the brackets we wrote hello world. So what this means that print is going to print hello world. Okay, now let's get another example. This is print, and here we get parenthesis, and here we got quotes, and we are going to write this is my first lecture, and we are going to print it. So this is my first lecture. So what basically print do? It print everything you write in it. Okay, we're going to write print my name is, or this is my name is Art. Okay, so this is how print actually do work. Okay, so you got your first code, that is print hello world, that is very basic. Okay, and you got to know that what print keyword actually do. So print keyword do that it print whatever you write in it. Okay, now if you write it print hello world, yeah. So wait. It said its name print is not defined, but how it is, because this and this all are same. So let me tell you, these are not same. Okay, how these are not same? Wait, it's not actually zooming. I don't know why. Okay, whatever. Wait. I can either do that. Wait, let me add copy paste it, and I think here we no, it's not getting actually. Wait, I'm facing a problem in it. Okay, we can have here. Do we have a dark mode here? Actually, we are going to face problem here, so we're gonna go with it. Okay, it's also a online programmer. Wait, let me actually download Spotify ad blocker so that it will block the ads so that we don't have to face any kind of issue. Okay, we got it. And here we are going to wait. Why it's not working? Okay, I guess here it's worked. We're not going to face any kind of ads here, and we are going to run. So you will like key. Um, so you will like that this print and these print are all same. So let me tell you first, Python is a case sensitive language. What do you mean by case sensitive language? Case sensitive language means that a capital P and a small p are going to be two different letters. Okay, so if you write this, let me tell you, friends, 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 print. You all be like that, oh, these all are same because these all are print. But let me tell you, Python is a case sensitive language. So Python will read all these as a different word. Okay. A capital P and a small p, both are different letters. Okay. So only this one is a keyword. Only this will print whatever you are going to write inside it. None of them have no special work to do in Python. Okay. So we're gonna so I hope you guys got understood that why we are facing a problem in this, because this print and this print, these both are different. Okay. So hope that you guys got to know that case sensitive language, that Python is a case sensitive language, and we must be like whenever we are writing our code, we have to focus that we don't do the spelling mistakes and do these kind of errors, because whenever you write your code, like in future, whenever you will be a coder and you do these type of mistakes, it will ruin your code. Okay, so just make sure whenever you are writing, just make sure you are writing it with the all your focus. Okay, so now you will like in class, whenever teacher is telling you something and you don't have your notebook, so what you can do, that you can write here that like now we learn Python is a case sensitive language, and you'll be like that, okay, I'm gonna save it in my code and it will throw no error. Okay, oh wait, why it throw an error? Because it's not even a code, it's just a normal line. So whenever you have to write something important and you don't want the code to throw an error, like you want to take some notes in your code, so what you can do, you can put these. I'm sorry, in Python it's these. The hash. What does hash do? Now we're gonna wait. Where is the error gone? So whenever you write hash, what do this hash do? This hash is a comment. Okay, it puts a comment, and you were like, what's a comment? Comment is something that you don't want to get involved in the code while compiling it. Okay, like, okay, let me tell you first what is compiling. Whenever you write this code, this is what you output code after compiling the code. The process between the input and the output is called compiling. The code got compiled. Okay, this is how it works. So Whenever you're compiling your code and you are taking some notes in it and you don't want the code to throw an error, so what do? You put a comment so that code will see it as nothing. Okay, I really like that this is a comment. Comment is something that you can write in your code without your code to throw an error. So this is how you can take notes in your code and write all the important points without having an error. Okay. Now let's get back. Here you write your first program. Okay. That is your print hello world. And you have done that. That what is print? Print is a keyword that is pre-assigned by the developers to run a program where you can get the output. Okay. Now, what is Python character set? Python character set is letters A to Z, small a to Z, all are involved. Digits 0 to 9, all are involved, and all the special symbols done. White spaces. White spaces is blank space, tab, carry as written, new line, form field. It is all considered white spaces. These are basic terms that you have to remember, okay? Other characters Python can process all ASCII and Unicode characters as per. Okay, so what is ASCII and Unicode? So for all the letters and for all the numbers and for all the digits, there is a pre-decided ASCII and a Unicode character set. So Python can process all them. Okay, whatever the ASCII value, whatever the Unicode, you have pre-decided for all the letters and all the digits. Python can access that. Okay. Now, here comes the variable. So, what is a variable? Um, Wait a minute. I'll be back in some minute because my throat is like I'm not able to. It's only 17 minutes. Oh, okay. So we're gonna cover this variable. After that, I'll go to get some water. Okay. So, what is variable? Wait, let me tell you. Variable is like a container. Okay, you have this container here. So variable is like you are containing data in it. A container, you are putting some data in this container. Okay, variable like here, this variable name. Okay, what is name? Name is collecting, name is containing your data, that what is your name, and your name is Shraddha. Okay, and what is age? Age is also a variable that is containing your data, that what is your age, and price, that what is price of any object. Okay, so variable is a name given to a memory location in a program. So here name, your data stored is a memory location in a program. Okay, so now in this we're gonna have we're all gonna comment it out because we don't want necessary outputs here, unnecessary output here. So we are going to define a variable. Okay, what will be the variable? I'll give variable a name, that is name, and we are going to put India. Okay, age 20, and what is the date? Date is 18. Okay, so you'll be like, okay, we wrote the name in quotes, then why didn't we wrote the age in quotes? Okay, so first, whatever you write like these words, these are considered as strings. Okay, what is string? The data type, the text, the letters, they are considered as string. String is a word, like it's not actually a word, but string is string. The text is in coding language is called as string. Okay, and this is integer data type. What is integer data type? The all the integers 0 to 1, minus infinity to infinity, all the integers are called integer data type. And like the price, if you're going to write it 45.66, This is this is decimal, but in coding language we call it float. What is float? Float is basically decimal, float, string. These words are named in coding. Okay, you can call them decimal, but in coding you have to call them float and string, and even there are more such words that are different than English. Okay, so just keep it in mind. So we are on variables. Variables is like a container, a memory location that where is your name stored, and that is India. Okay, so and you will like that. How is memory located? Like you used a word, memory location. So how you can actually define a memory location? So now we're gonna print India, and we are going to print name, and we are going to run it. Whoa, we print India and we print in name. We got the same output. Now this is the memory location that we, we printed this variable, and print do not print this because these it's not in quotes. Print keyword always print something that is in quotes. Okay, it do not print anything. But you be like, this name is not in quote, so how it printed it, this India? So name is a variable. So when you write the keyword print, this name is indicating this name is actually functioning as a memory locator. So what does name do? It locates the memory of the computer through this. And here, when the computer reaches to this memory location, it it extracts the data, it extracts the data present in that variable. It's more like that this there is a container named A, okay, and somebody called from there that please bring me the container A. So I brought the container A. So what is container A? Container A is a memory location that whatever data you are trying to get is located in container A. So what you're going to call, you are just going to call the container A, and this is what we have done. We called the variable here, and now this print will extract the data inside it, that is India. Okay. Now same, we can print 18, but if we print price, no, like expected. If we print the price, it's going to print the price. Why? Because this price indicates to the memory location, and this print extract the data stored in it. This is how it works. So variable is a memory location, and when you call the print, it extracts the data present inside that particular variable. Okay, hope it's clear. So what is variable? Variable is like a container. Okay, now let's move. What like memory here? Memory is like there are different containers, and we have to put the memory in here. That name, this container contains the name, this age, this price, cost, this date, and whatever. Okay, so these are containers which contains the data, and when we call the container and print it, they will extract the data in it. Okay, now you'll be like, okay, we call name, we call age, and we call price. Guys, I'll be back in some minutes, in just 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. I'll be back.